survived.
Meggie, I need no reminder of you. Not now. Not ever. I carry you within me. You know that. I must go.
Yes. Everything's all right now. All in order. The dead are buried and blessed. And you and Mum have my life planned out.
Meggie, we must make an end to this. My life belongs to God. You've always known that.
That dear and gentle God, who has taken from me everyone that I've loved most in the world. One by one. Frank and Hal and Stuie and my father. And you, of course. Always you. God is merciful. Left me no one else to grieve.
He is merciful. I know you can't see that now, but he is. He spared the rose. He sent the rain.
Who sent the fire?